afternoon, Lego fans. Hi. If you aren't already, please hit the subscribe button, ring the little bell. Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday videos coming at you every single week of the year, 52 weeks a year, without fail. None are missed. I never take a break. Anyway, but we should. Anyway, hi. We're back today with Lego Ideas, the Blacksmiths. We're on the verge of having this finished, and then I can start working on the next project I've got, which is a personal project. It's my own design. I'm currently working on it over there, off camera. It's going to be huge. The first piece is nearly 2,000 pieces. That's in the first small bit, so this is going to be quite a large one. I'm looking forward to it. So today, I've got this pre-made chimney section. It sits here into the roof of the blacksmith. I think this thing is fantastic. I just want to take a moment to talk about it. I think this thing is amazing. I really do think it is fantastic. I do have a lot of these masonry pieces now. I went to the Lego store today, got a load of those. I bought a load from Britlink in various colours and sizes. I think they're fantastic. Let's slot that into there like so. Just like that. Bosh. That side of the roof's finished. Look, that's what it looks like. Looking good. Awesome. Everything is awesome. So, now we come to building. Here's the picture. Here. I'm going to build that today. Have it all in parts. Chop. So we get it all in parts. We're going to put this together today. Bits over. Anyway, we're going to build this today. It's going to be fun. Let's have a bit of a chat while we're doing it. So, first of all, these are dark brown. This is not reddish brown. This is the darker brown. It looks about halfway. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 before that. Yep. Yep, goes like that. And then that bit goes like, Now I didn't record the other side, the other roof being made. That took quite a while to put together, and I didn't want to really bore people to death with a really long video of me putting the bricks together. But then I thought to myself, well, people might enjoy watching that. I thought, well, why not? Well, yeah, why not? We shall put something together. Right, now I'm just trying to work out how. It kind of goes like that. It's a case of trying to line it up, so when you put it together, it doesn't all have to be taken apart again. Is the bit I'm trying to avoid. So we put our ball socket joints underneath. Nope. Got that the wrong way around. It needs to go that way. You see, even when you're paying attention, you can still make mistakes. Right, that needs to go like that. Well, technically it needs to go like that. Nice reuse of car parts there. They're a bit stiff to clip on them. Anyway, so it looks kind of like that. Next tray of pieces. Put those pieces in there like that, so it kind of like 3 steps. All right. Our 1x3 flats tiles at the ends like that. And then we want that one, light blue. So I'm just concentrating here. I do not want to make another mistake if I can help it. Like that. Next tub. Sorry about your ears. There we go like that. A light piece. Like that. This mint greeny colour, I've commented on this before, I think it's a fantastic colour. I think it's a really, really nice colour. Four of these lighter colours. Like that. These mint green tiles. The mint green masonry pieces are lovely. They are very, very nice. I do have some of them in my bricks. I think of myself being fortunate enough to actually grab hold of some when they were coming out. I like this texture to the roof. I think that's quite nice. This build has given me quite a few ideas on how to finally achieve something that I've been trying to do. Make a realization of something in real life, so to speak. There are some things we can only do digitally. That piece flew across the table. Let's see. Yes, there's some things we can only do digitally, but I'm wanting to try and realise that digital build in realistic, hold it in your hands sort of thing. So my idea is very simply to do it. I intend to do it. And I think it's going to look great when it's finished. But that's just me. Right, so that's the roof so far. Ta-da! You try to pick things up and they just keep falling. Right, there's the roof. The little board, I'm not quite sure why, but there you go. Next portion. Here's the table is now so full I'm struggling for space. Ta-da! Next, more tiles. There is a lighting set available for this. I do have it on order. Currently waiting for it to become available. This set is very popular, it appears. Very popular. And I'm just waiting for it to become available again. Like I always say, do not be afraid to double check something. I just was. Double check it, triple check it if it makes you feel better. Don't be afraid to. Don't feel like you just have to just go, yeah, it's done. Always double check if it makes you feel better. Like so. More boards. More boards. And that looks like that. Then we want this. It's a black 3x2. Two ball socket carriers there. You can tell they're a bit chunkier than the usual clip-ons because these are quite chunky. That's how you can tell that there's the different ones. Mint green one before. Do like that colour. Squeeze together. That kind of supports the underneath. The underneath is supported here. That's the joining line. Right, more tiles. Like that. That goes on there like that. So we'll just put the last of the tiles on now. Ta-da! Looking good. It's looking good. So we have to line this up just off center of this. Yeah, that's about right. Take a little top reddish brown chocolate wedges. Chocolate, that'd be nice tonight. Like that. That then clips together. Do bugger. Hold on. Alright. Right, so next, place this like that. But hey, that looks fantastic. That looks really good. Now, next, get our, again, reddish brown U pieces. It's a modified U piece. Is how it's catalogued. And they go up on there like that. Like that. And by the aid of magic, all I gotta do is click my fingers and you'll see something fantastic. Ready, steady, ta-da! Lego Blacksmiths. Doesn't she just look great? This one's seriously a good looking thing. If I wheel this in, on over, you have our little black falcon lady here. Just under there. A little black falcon knight sits there. This big pointy thing which is so large it's actually pulling him over. See if we can use him as to prop him up a little, if possible. There we go. And then we have the horse. Ta-da! There you have it. Lego Ideas Blacksmiths. It's quite cool. The other couple of characters I'll add in. So after the credits, you can come back and have a look at what it actually looks like. So the characters sat there looking cool. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. This has been a brilliant series. It's been quite a lengthy series. This one, it's been over quite a few weeks. By the time this becomes available to be seen on YouTube after being scheduled, we're currently at the end of June. This will not be seen till probably end of July, if not the beginning of August. I am quite far ahead on projects at the moment. Next one is to be wheeled in, is just sat there, just off camera. And that's one of my own personal projects, my own personal design project. I'm going to be working on, and I'll be bringing it to you. So check out the socials for the updated sneak peeks into what's going on. If you want to see what's going on before it hits the old YouTubes and the channel, you want to find out what videos are coming, check out the old socials. They're in the description below, the old Instagram and Twitters. Check them out. Come and follow, and you'll be able to see what's come and see what's going on before it hits the old YouTube, so you can have a look at what you want to watch, if there's anything up there that interests you want to see or not. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, thanks for being a part of this lovely build series. It's been a trip, it's been a pleasure, it's been wonderful, it's what it is. I'm really looking forward to this. This set will be revisited when I get the lighting kit. So when the lighting kit gets here, this will be revisited. We'll install a lighting kit, and we'll install a iDisplay It display case, which I've got over there for my Lego ship in a bottle. If you want to see the case for that being made, I'll put it in the description below. But yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. A lot of fun. Anyway, I'll see you in a couple of weeks for the next project. I'm going to take a 2-week break. I'm on holiday, and I'll be back for the next project. So I'll see you then. Bye for now. Have fun. Yeah. Stay Lego, people. Stay Lego. Enjoy Lego. Enjoy what you're doing. Please stay safe in these mad times, and I'll see you all very, very soon. As always, I am your lovely host, Mr. Fonzie. May the Fonzie be with you all. Bring you smiles and happiness. So, yes. Bye for now. Have fun. Take care. See you later, my friends. Ta-da. What a build. What a build. The thing is gorgeous. So good looking. Just like my cat.
The Fonz be with you.
And also with you.
Let us A.